this opportunity to correct that misconception where people say gbogbo ọmọ Odùduwà. It's not all Yoruba people that are Odùduwà descendants. I'm saying this. I've said it in Ile-Ife City Hall. I said it during one of our conferences last year. It's not all Yoruba that are Odùduwà descendants.
Ǹjẹ́ a lè pe Obatala ní ọmọ Oòduà? From what you explained the other time, you said Obatala is from Yoruba tribe. Ṣé àwa lè pe Obatala ní ọmọ Oòduà?
That's an insult. That's an insult.
Ẹ má bínú.
No, a lot of people make mistake when they are referring to Yoruba people. If you call Yoruba people Káàárọ̀ Oòjíire, that is perfect. But for you to now, and I have to use this opportunity to correct that misconception where people say gbogbo ọmọ Odùduwà. It's not all Yoruba people that are Odùduwà descendants. I'm saying this. I've said it in Ile-Ife City Hall. I said it during one of our conferences last year. It's not all Yoruba that are Odùduwà descendants. I've been telling you since morning that my blood, the blood that are running in my vein, is that of Obatala. So it means I'm Odùduwà. And the reason why I call it as an insult is that before arrival of Oduduwa in Ile-Ife, where people believe that that's the source of the Yoruba people, Obatala has been ruling in Ile-Ife. It's just ethnic politics to say Oduduwa is the father of no. Oduduwa is not father of Yorubas. Oduduwa is the father of Oduduwa generation and Oduduwa descendants. There are other people. Do you want to call me a descendant of Oduduwa? No. Did you want to call Olufon descendant of Oduduwa? No. You can't call we are Yorubas. Like the Olufon of Ifon. There's another Ifon in Secretary Oyo State. In this Osun State, there is a town called Ile, just after Ifon, in Oloda local government of Osun State. They are Obatala descendants. When you go to Ondo State in Ose local government, they call it Ifomima. That's where Dr. Orlando comes from. Kupolokun, former NNPC MD or so. That is, they migrated from here. They are Obatala people. Beside that, there are other people. If you go to Ile-Ife today, go to Igbo Tapa, that is where the word of Obatala temple is. We have Ile Olóríṣà. They were in Ile-Ife from the time immemorial. Before Oduduwa came, our fathers were in Ile-Ife. So how will you now call us Oduduwa? If I let me use this opportunity to correct the misconception by the southwest geographical zone of Nigeria.
Yes.
They have adopted Osun anthem. There is a verse in that Osun song. It says, Ọmọ Oòduà dìde bọ́ sí ipò ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ, ìwọ ni ìmọ́lẹ̀ gbogbo adúláwọ̀. That's an error. And we raise our voice on this. It's not all Yoruba that are Ọmọ Oòduà. They will have said Ọmọ Yorùbá dìde. That is inclusive of everybody. But if you say Ọmọ Yorùbá, you are alienating some people.
Okay, Ọmọ Oòduà.
Ọmọ Oòduà
Is
Ọmọ Yoruba composes of Ọmọ Oòduà,
okay.
Ọmọ Obatala, Ọmọ. Do you know that Eshu has his own generation?
Yes.
Yes, I must tell you, Eshu was from Ekiti State. He has his own descendant. They are alive. Even I even prefer to call Eshu my father than to call Jesus my father or Muhammad my father. I don't hide to say this. These are where they have used religion, sentiment to blindfold us. There is even between Eshu and Satan. Don't say I'm going to another thing. Eshu is my highly respected father. In most places where I go, when they say Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ ká rí Èṣù, I know tẹ́ bá ti rí wa ẹ ti rí Èṣù o, because Eshu is not my progenitor, but there is a relationship between my progenitor and Eshu. I'm very proud of him. My progenitor, my grandfather, they are proud of Eshu. They can't do without him. So if my progenitor and Eshu have something to do with, we don't know where they see Satan. Eshu is a Yoruba man. And what we know him is Eshu. It's like you want to call Osogbo. Can you have an English name for Osogbo? Osogbo is nothing than Osogbo.
Oshobos.
Eba is something is nothing than Eba because it's Yoruba food.
Yeah.
So Eshu is somebody we know very well. We are proud of him. We love him. We like him. We continue to associate with him. But Satan, no. We don't know Satan. Maybe one of those errors committed by Samuel Ajayi Crowther in the process of translating Yoruba English to Bible. But to cut the story short, Eshu has his own generation. And I'm happy to associate with him, even the Oduduwa you are talking about, because there is no Oduduwa children that will not have respect for Eshu. Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kò sílùú yẹn tẹ́ dé that you not see Eshu shrine, no. So what take us to that is that Obatala, you don't call us Oduduwa. Call us the only name that combine all of us together is Yoruba. Ọmọ Kóòtù Òjíire. You can't call me Ọmọ Oduduwa. I'm not. We have no relationship with Oduduwa. We do together peaceful coexistence, but blood relationship, no.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni sir. Thank you very much. Ǹjẹ́ a sì rí àwọn ìran Ọbàtálá? Do we still have generation of Obatala?
Èmi tó rí iye ọmọ Ọbàtálá ni mí. Mo sọ fún ẹ pé àkọ́bí òrìṣà. Mo ní òrìṣà yẹn is Olúfọ́n. Olúfọ́n is the firstborn of Ọbàtálá. Olúfọ́n of Ifọ̀n Ọ̀ṣun. If you go to Ifọ̀mímà, they are Ọbàtálá. It's the same family. If you go to Ṣẹ̀pẹ̀rí, the same family. If you go to Ilie, in Oloda local government, it's the same Oduduwa. Beside that, there are so many. There is something mysterious. I think I have to say it because we don't have to say, we don't want to be like the foreign people that they will be pardoning every bad thing. Among the children, so many children. Àwọn kan wà tá à ń pè ní ọmọ igi. Igi is tree.
Yes.
Tree, a child of tree. The reason is this. I told you my progenitor was a supernatural man. During his lifetime, apart from his biological children like Olúfọ́n, there are some that mere touching tree, they will turn to man. That's why they call Baba Ọ̀págídá Sọ́gídé Ìyàn. During those periods, if Baba touches a tree and it turn to woman being, ọmọ igi nìyẹn sef, ọmọ tí yẹn igi,
àtàrà igi ló ti jáde.
That's why when you see some people, if you want to talk to them, tẹ́ ẹ bá fi igi flog wọn ní gbọ́.
Orí wọn ò ní pé.
So oríṣiríṣi ọmọ wà káàkiri. Do you understand?
Yes.
But importantly, Obatala generation, they are. In fact, at this point, I'm using this medium to encourage our Africans. People should try to go and, do research about your origin.
Yes.
Because some people are Obatala's descendants. But by the factor of not knowing history or not knowing the right thing, they turn themselves to ọmọ Oòduà pé wọ́n kú ti ní nítorí pé bàbá wa Ọọ̀ni olórí aládé oníkíní kan, so wọ́n jẹ́ ọmọ Oòduà, ọmọ Oòduà náà gbogbo wa no. People should trace their step. But thank God, Olúfọ́n of Ifọ̀n is the royal father. We have somebody we call Obalesu Ase Kábíyèsí o, is the Àrólé Obàtálá àgbáyé of the universe. This is Ile-Ife. He is the spiritual father. Anything relating to worship, mode of worship, festival, talk of anything that is spiritual regarding Obatala, is the Obalesu Ase. O mẹ́ta dàda kan ọmọ Ọ̀ṣunfúnkẹ́ is the spiritual father. Olúfọ́n of Ifọ̀n Ọba Peter Olúwọlé Ìpàdéọlá Akínyẹ̀wò Kẹta, the Àrẹ̀mọ Obatala of the universe, is the royal father. So we are scattered all over the world.
There are lots of generations from Obatala.
Yes.
People have to retrace their
step. They should.
From what you just said and the whole explanation, I was made to understand that àwọn ọmọ Oòduà ó yàtọ̀ sí àwọn ọmọ
wọ́n yàtọ̀ pa gidigidi.
Obatala.
But that does not mean that if ọmọ Oòduà is interested in Obatalaism, our religion, our way of life, they are welcome. Baba is Baba for everybody.
Baba for
he likes
Baba
all
for
Orishas.
So ẹ ṣé gan ni sir.